Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link your bank account in QuickBooks. So open the app and you see you're going to be right here. Go to my businesses and go press link accounts and then press link accounts again, and then here is going to make you choose a bank. So it has all these banks. You can search it up. Let's say you wanna link your American Express Bank. So press continue, and you're gonna have to log in and put your bank details. Okay, but let's say you wanna do your TD Bank. So for that, wait. I'm gonna press TD, and you're gonna have to log in on the app. Okay, so that's basically how you do it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.